Imagine a life where financial abundance is not just a dream, but your reality. Picture wealth flowing to you as effortlessly as the stars light up the night sky. Welcome to Mystica Finance, where we turn the cosmos of your dreams into tangible prosperity. Here, the power of visualization meets practical financial wisdom, opening doors to a universe of wealth. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey and unlock the secrets of financial abundance? Let's harness the cosmic energies to reshape your financial future. In today's episode, Visualization for Financial Abundance, we dive deep into the art of manifesting wealth through the power of your mind. We'll guide you through techniques that blend ancient mystic practices with modern financial strategies. From visualizing your wealth goals to aligning your actions with the universe's abundance, we cover it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into mystical finance. Share your aspirations in the comments and join us on this journey of financial enlightenment. Together, we'll turn your visualization into reality, step by step. Visualization is more than just a daydream. It's a powerful mental exercise that can shape your reality, especially in the realm of finance. It starts with the fundamental belief that your mind can influence your financial outcomes. Imagine your thoughts as architects, constructing the future you desire. Visualization taps into this creative power, allowing you to actively participate in crafting your financial destiny. Think of it as painting on the canvas of your consciousness. When you visualize, you're not just idly wishing, you're actively creating and attracting the financial life you want. It's based on the principle that what you focus on expands. By consistently picturing yourself achieving financial success, you're programming your subconscious mind to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your vision. Let's delve deeper into how visualization can specifically empower your financial journey. When you picture yourself debt-free, wealthy, or making wise investments, you're not just fantasizing. You're laying down the neural pathways that make these outcomes more attainable. Science shows us that the brain doesn't distinguish much between real and imagined experiences. This means that the practice of visualization can strengthen your mental and emotional readiness for financial success, just as effectively as real-life experiences can. As we explore this scene, think about your own financial goals. How do you see yourself achieving them? What does financial abundance look like for you? Hold these images in your mind as we journey through the power of visualization, transforming your financial aspirations from mere thoughts into tangible realities. Remember, in the universe of your mind, anything is possible. Your financial abundance is just a visualization away. Let's dive deeper into the art of creating a vivid financial vision. This is more than just setting goals. It's about painting a detailed picture of your ideal financial life. Imagine every aspect of your financial success. Picture the home you'll live in, the experiences you'll enjoy, the sense of security you'll feel. Envision the freedom to make choices without financial constraints. Think about the sensations, the emotions, and the people around you in this successful scenario. Take this visualization a step further. Find a quiet space, and with a notebook or a sketch pad in hand, begin to bring this vision to life. Write down every detail, from the big achievements to the small joys that your financial abundance brings. If you prefer drawing, sketch out this life in as much detail as you can. This could include your dream house, your bank statement with an impressive balance, or even a serene vacation spot. The key is to make it feel real, tangible. After you've documented your vision, take a moment to reflect on it. How does it make you feel? Are there any new insights or motivations emerging? Sharing this vision can be incredibly empowering. So I encourage you to post your written vision or sketches in the comments. This is a safe space for us to support and inspire each other. Your vision might just be the encouragement someone else needs to embark on their own journey of financial visualization. Incorporating visualization into your daily life is a crucial step in making your financial dreams a reality. Consistency in this practice is what bridges the gap between dreaming and achieving. Let's explore how you can make visualization a daily habit. Each morning, as you wake up, dedicate the first few minutes to your financial vision. Before the day's distractions set in, find a quiet spot to sit and deeply immerse yourself in your vision. Close your eyes and picture your life after achieving your financial goals. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing the balance you've dreamt of. Feel the satisfaction of paying off all your debts, the thrill of making lucrative investments, or the joy of purchasing your dream home. Envision the freedom and choices that financial abundance brings into your life. Feel these experiences as if they are happening right now. To deepen your practice, you can use affirmations aligned with your vision, or even create a short mantra that encapsulates your financial aspirations. Repeat this mantra during your visualization sessions to reinforce your goals. After a week of this practice, take a moment to reflect on any shifts in your attitude or behavior. Have you noticed yourself being more proactive with your finances? Are you making decisions that align more closely with your goals? Share your experiences in the comments section. Your journey could be the inspiration that ignites someone else's path to financial abundance. Together, let's make our financial visions a part of our everyday reality. As we venture further into our journey of financial abundance, it's important to address the mental and emotional barriers that often impede our progress. These limitations can range from deep-seated beliefs like, "I don't deserve wealth," to feelings of fear or guilt associated with money. Recognizing and overcoming these blocks is crucial in aligning with your financial vision. Let's engage in a guided visualization to release these blockages. Close your eyes and take a deep, calming breath. Envision yourself standing in front of a wall that represents your financial limitations. Observe the texture, height, and material of this wall. Now, imagine yourself finding a way to dismantle this wall, brick by brick, or perhaps it simply dissolves before your eyes. As this barrier disappears, feel the space opening up before you, leading to a path of financial abundance. As you conclude this exercise, take a moment to reflect on the limiting belief you've just released. How does it feel to let go of this barrier? I encourage you to share your experience in the comments. Identifying and releasing just one limiting belief can significantly shift your mindset towards a more prosperous financial future. In this final scene, let's celebrate the successes achieved through the power of visualization. There are countless stories of individuals who have manifested financial abundance by consistently visualizing their goals. From entrepreneurs who visualize successful businesses to individuals who overcame debt, these stories are testaments to the power of visualization. Now, let's try an empowering exercise. Close your eyes and visualize yourself in the future, sharing your own success story. Picture the details. Who are you with? And most importantly, what is your story of financial success? How did you use visualization to achieve your goals? Feel the joy, pride, and satisfaction of sharing this story. After this visualization, I invite you to describe this future success story in the comments. What did you achieve, and how did visualization help you get there? Sharing your envisioned success not only reinforces your commitment to your financial goals, but also inspires our community. Together, let's celebrate the power of visualization and the many successes we will achieve on our paths to financial abundance. As we conclude today's journey on visualization for financial abundance, let's remind ourselves of the incredible power visualization holds in transforming our financial destiny. By vividly picturing our financial goals and consistently aligning our thoughts and actions with these visions, we open the door to a world of abundance. Remember, the universe is always listening, and through the act of visualization, we communicate our deepest desires for wealth and success. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found value in today's episode, please subscribe, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your engagement helps us build a community of like-minded individuals, all striving towards financial enlightenment and abundance. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll delve into the secrets of cosmic debt clearance. We'll explore how to free ourselves from the shackles of debt using cosmic wisdom and practical financial strategies. Until then, keep visualizing your path to prosperity. And remember, in the cosmos of abundance, your financial dreams are just a visualization away.